Hello, I hope you're well. So today's tapping video is how to tap into clarity, vision and focus. Have a think about what you really want to focus on. You want to get rid of all that brain fog, okay? It might be a specific issue that you're working towards, it might be a specific goal, because today's tapping video is going to help you really create that clarity and vision that you deserve. So it might be something specific, it might just be in general. That clarity, vision and focus, being really focused on loads of razor sharp vision, it's out of 10, that's the highest you could get, or the lowest is a 0. Just give that a number where you're up to at the minute. You're up to, sorry, so it could be just the first number that kind of comes to mind. Okay, maybe there's some brain fog, maybe there's something kind of keeping you stuck, and we're going to help you create that now. Okay, so when you're ready, start tapping with me, side of the hand. I choose to create razor sharp focus, letting go of anything that's holding me back. And I choose to love and accept me now. I choose to tap into clarity and focus, letting go of that brain fog. And I choose to love, honour and accept me now, and anyone else that might be involved. Tapping into focused vision, clarity, letting all that brain fog go, letting anything go that's holding me back, and I choose to love and accept me now. Great, tapping around the points. Tapping into feelings of clarity and focus. I choose to create that vision for myself. I work towards that end goal with clarity and focus. I get to choose. Using my vision to imagine that goal, whatever it is. Letting go of that brain fog, the negative feelings, anything that's been holding me back or keeping me stuck. I don't need all that old stuff anymore. I want to feel more focused. I want to create more clarity. I choose to make decisions with ease, letting go of all that brain fog, letting go of any procrastination, letting go of any stress, worries or anxiety. Maybe they're just old patterns. This is the new me. Tapping into feelings of clarity and focus. Just visualising my goal now. Kicking all those obstacles out the way. I've got clarity and vision. And I choose to achieve my goal. Tapping into razor sharp focus. Tapping into success. I am abundant. I'm going to do this. I'm going to kick it out the park. So feeling much more clearer now, feeling much more focused, having a real vision and purpose of what I want to achieve, making decisions with ease, and it feels so good. I get to choose. Feeling so clear now, letting go of that brain fog, letting go any stress, letting go all that negativity, letting go any negative internal chatter. I don't need any of that. I am focused. I am clear. I know exactly where I'm going. I'm my own internal sat-nav. And it feels so good. Letting go all that old stuff. I'm focused, I'm clear, creating that vision. Amazing. Take a nice deep breath. Breathe out. Okay, again, check in where you are. Where's that number at? I want just razor sharp focus from you people. Please, please, please let me know how you get on. Repeat this video as and when necessary, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Change for Success, of course, lots more free videos on there. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.